Hi everyone, welcome again to another Teacher Joseph video clip. This week's weekly lesson, as you know, is all about Robert Burns and Burns Night. He's a traditional Scottish poet, and on the night of Robert Burns, that's the 25th of January, last Saturday, Scottish people in particular, and people who have descended from Scottish families, they eat haggis. This is a haggis, and it's probably a little bit different from other things that you might have seen. It says on the label here, the ingredients are beef fat, water, oatmeal, lamb, lamb lungs, lamb heart, liver, and then it goes on to talk about ox kidney, onion, kibbled onion specifically. I don't know what kibbled means. And then it says it has rusk. I believe that's some kind of breadcrumbs. And then also white pepper. And then it goes on to say, please ensure if you're allergic to anything that you don't eat it. It says, keep refrigerated, use within 6 days of opening. And in order to cook this thing, you should slice it into 15 millimeter slices. Oh, I'm terrible with the metric system. Millimeters, who would know? And grill or pan fry until very hot. Take care of the metal clips. And it says here, it's best cooked with the outer casing left on. So this is the casing, the skin, you could say. The casing, however, is not edible, so you have to take it off before you try to eat it, and should be removed prior to eating. And it shows like a little sticker here with the codes and things on there. But if you want to have a close-up look at that, there we are. Yeah, it's very interesting. Earlier, when I was buying this, there was a woman in front of me in the queue arguing with the butcher, and she was saying, "Are you sure there's no pork in this?" And the butcher was assuring her that this is everything in it except pork. Very interesting. So this is the haggis. Now, in Scotland, you can buy this in a can if you prefer the loose meat, and you can also get it on a pizza. Okay, a haggis pizza is considered to be delicious. And you can also get the vegetarian version, which means you won't die of a sudden heart attack, which you might do if you eat this. And that's it from me. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and let's talk again soon. And if you are celebrating Burns Night, happy Burns Night.